Can sprinklers damage my outdoor HVAC unit? Yes, they can cause damage over time if water hits the unit too often, especially the electrical parts and metal fins. Sprinklers spray water, and your outdoor heating, ventilation, and air conditioning unit is made to sit outside, but not to be soaked all day. When water keeps hitting the coils and the fan, tiny parts can rust, bend, or get clogged with dirt and minerals. The metal fins are very thin, so even strong water pressure can flatten them and make the unit work harder. That means your system may not cool as well and may use more energy. A little rain is usually fine because the unit is built for weather, but repeated sprinkler spray is different because it can happen every day for a long time. One thing many people do not know is that sprinkler water can leave mineral spots on the coils, and those spots can slowly block airflow. The best move is to check where the sprinkler heads point and make sure they do not spray the unit at all. A common mistake is thinking any outdoor water is harmless, but steady spray is much rougher than rain. A simple fix is to aim the sprinkler heads away from the unit or adjust the spray distance. Another mistake is ignoring bent fins, because they look small but can really reduce how well the unit breathes. A good tip is to keep plants, dirt, and mulch away from the sides so air can move freely. Some people also forget that the electrical controls inside the unit do not like extra moisture, so if you see water pooling near the base, that is a warning sign. If that happens, have the sprinkler layout checked before it turns into a bigger repair. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. Another option is to download our app, Job It Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out and message you back and offer their estimates.